PTSD is coming. I'm not snowboarding here. Not sure what I was thinking when I decided to take my family on an epic one-week road trip across Croatia and Slovenia. They might not be the first places you think of for a memorable European summer, but from the stunning mountains and charming historic towns to crystal clear waters, I knew there's going to be something for everyone. Can we survive a whole week traveling together?
We made it.
We made it to the cave.
We drove here from Zagreb this morning.
We were running a bit late. When you book your tickets, make sure you know if you're flexible or not. They charge you €5 for each ticket if you need to change your time.
5 times 5, 25 bucks. Bring your headphones for the audio guides.
Pretty sweet. Our first stop in Slovenia is the Postojna Cave. It's a very popular and touristy spot, and it's easy to see why. This captivating cave system stretches 24 kilometers, making it one of the longest cave systems in Europe. They're going too fast. It's also one of the few caves in the world with a cave train. You'll start with a ride on the underground cave train, then walk along an easy footpath to get a closer look at the stunning formations.
I wonder if today's like extra wet because it was raining this morning.
Probably.
Where's it?
Bloody.
I know. Oh shoot, better not flood.
After 1 hour and 30 minutes of driving, we've arrived at one of my most anticipated places on this trip, Lake Bled, a photographer's dream destination. With our limited time, we decided to stay close to the lake to soak in as many postcard perfect views as possible. Got lost already. Lake. For an exhilarating adventure with breathtaking views, let's try this unique activity that none of us have tried before. Oh my god! PTSD is coming.
Oh, what?
I'm not snowboarding here.
Oh shoot.
You hold it. I want to hold on. I'm scared.
Hold on to what?
I need to prepare for takeoff.
Pretty cute, huh?
Uh-huh.
Couldn't even fall asleep last night. Too excited to go Toboggan.
It's Lake Bled in the back. It's a nice ride. It's a pretty long ride up.
Last words.
Back is brake and push
Gotcha.
to go. And the end, please brake.
Yes, sir.
Bye.
Bye. Ooh, hey. Oh, let's go. Oh, chill. Woo!
Whee!
Never move it. Oh. Thanks, man.
Before we had to say goodbye to Slovenia, we made a stop in its enchanting capital, Ljubljana. This charming city is the perfect place to wander and recharge before hitting the road again. Our visit to this beautiful country was short, but I know I'll be back. There are still so many natural wonders I want to explore. The lakes, the Alps, the caves, it was the perfect opening for our week-long trip. But for now, it's goodbye. Days before this trip, I felt overwhelmed by the daunting task. Will everyone have fun? Are we going to get along traveling for an entire week together? So many doubts that made me want to call it quits. After a cross-border adventure to Slovenia though, I'm starting to have a good feeling about this trip. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to join us on our return to Croatia. We'll visit not one, but 3 stunning waterfalls.